Barbie Arellano and this is my Negosyo.
Hi, I'm Trinket.
Hi, I'm Craze.
And this is our Negosyo.
Sweet and salt, murag nice jud iyang combination. Ikaon nimo ba na tamis nga nay parat murag 2-in-1 na gani. Diba usually kita mo kaon tag chichira nya parat after kay mangita mo gyud tag chocolate or tamis. Murag usiya banana siya sa usa.
Well, first of all, Filipinos, as Filipinos, we love sweet food, so we love our sweet bread, and it's perfect for our chocolate mornings.
Welcome to Bakeology Cebu.
Welcome to Hideout Bakehouse.
I graduated Nutrition and Dietetics in Cebu Doctors University, and pag human ako graduate kay ni continue ko sa akong business, online business nga Bakeology Cebu.
I'm an engineer by profession. I have worked as a software engineer for 3.5 years. And in 2014, I resigned. I have tried mga different jobs online. Then I went full-time as a financial trainer sa IMG or International Marketing Group.
I'm Trinket and I'm a co-owner of Hideout Bakehouse. I'm also a food entrepreneur of various businesses, different types of businesses. There's Sprocketeer Cafe, Ultimate Sandwich Station, Lunhaw Vegan Cafe. I took up BS Mathematics and I have a hobby of cooking ever since college. So when I graduated, I married the idea of mathematics plus food.
Kami mga good family, kahilig yun magluto and bake-bake. Murag inborn na lang siya siguro ni siya. Kung mama sa una, magluto-luto. Maluto ba rin sa masuday, mag-apil-apil, gid ko ukay-ukay. Ganahan siya ko mo ukay-ukay ba?
I just started researching about cooking and just trying out recipes from the internet, and after years of doing that, I just got the hang of it and had my own ideas as well.
Sa kitchen, wala jud. More on sa operation. So sa operation, like sa staff.
The meaning behind Bakeology is the art and science para mo come up with better baked goods.
Initially, ang amuang murag theme was European. Mo ang theme. Mo na siyang sa store kay na siya mga paintings. So we came up with a Hideout nga name since ang amuang location is Hideout jud. So lunon jud siya. So mo na siya. So himo siyang Hideout Bakehouse. And there's na year sa ubo sa logo, 1887. related to na siya. Ang 1887 is related to Sherlock Holmes.
Nag-start siya 2018, fourth year student ko ato nga time, incoming intern, and akong daghan kay kog time ato no kay duha na lang ka minors akong gi-take up para mo intern nga, and then nag-start din siya sa dream cake lang. Kay nakita ko og post sa Instagram, and then nami kayo siya ba, so why not kanang mag-make dako ako. And then pag make na ko, nag-post ko sa akong Facebook, and then all of my friends kanang commented nga kanang Barb kanang isel ko no, or unsa kanang patilawan mi, mamalit mi nanaya. Wala pa ko nag-costing gud ato nya. Kanang sige slag pressure ba, sige kanang 170 lang sa ni. Then from there kay dito na ni kuan ning murag nanay naka-think ko nga mag-make og ako ang online shop na gyud. Akong sister ang nag-handle sa Street 8. And then, among baligya sa Street 8 kay nami Pad Thai, which is among bestseller. Nami back ribs, wings, mga Mexican foods, and burgers, and milk teas. And then, pag pandemic, ni-close usap mi. And then, dito lang mi nag-start online mga April sa Street 8 food Pad Thai. And milk tea ra among gi-cater ato. Kay ang mga ingredients ato, lisod man sad kuhaon. Siya sa Street 8, yun nga ako sa Bakeology. Bali, ako amang yun niya ang Bakeology, pero say, mga yun lang kong ideas niya. Kita ko og post ba nga sa Ube Desal nga nasikat po siya somewhere in Iloilo man siguro to. Sige daw, i-try na sad nako og kanang nag-make og ako trial and error from kanang mixing sa flour para ma-perfect na ko siya nga di siya mo gahi kay at first gahi man gyud to siya. So nag-trial and error mi sa akong sister. And then dito nag-release ko sa Pandesal February. And then nidaghan umayo among orders pag features sa Sunstar. And then na pandemic. So wala nag-online na gihapon. Na mas ni boom ang order, like maabot siya 800 per day pag ECQ. It takes time yun, effort, murag dapat imo nagid diha gani siya. Murag dapat na jud kay passion pod for baking. Kay if dili murag tikoy jud siguro imong pandesal. Kaya ang baking to cooking lahi good siya ma'am, dapat precise imong baking. From measurements, if na lang kay sayop nga usa, palpak yun siya. So dapat kanang exact yun ba. From kanang mag-measure ka sa ingredients, ang wet ug ang dry i-mix nimo, and then i-incorporate silang duha, and then masahon nimo, and then first proof kay 1 hour. After that kanang imong i-measure, itimbang, then imo na pud i-roll, then i-rolling pin na pud nimo siya. After nimo butang sa tanan kanang stuff niya, kanang mag-proof na pud ka for 30 to 1 hour na pud. 6 a.m. or 5:30 mata nami, nag-mix nami. Hantod na lang na hapon para ma-dispatch lang gid tanan orders. And then human anak kay dili pa jud mi kapahuway kay daghan kay mang-inquire ba. So magtagsa-tagsa pag gid mi og kanang reply. Yes, mo-add pa gid ang wifi nga mawala-wala. Ngay say kay lamit na jud kay ihilak sa kakapoy nga na. I think special ang among ube cheese pandesal because we made it from scratch, from the ube halaya, from sa ube pa lang, we from brushing kay abog man kay nano to boiling to kanang peeling and gi-grind or i-grate na mo manually and then cooking sa dough pod kami sa jud naghimo nagmix. And then we bake it fresh jud. Mo jud na amo ang goal jud nga fresh jud siya kanang maabot sa customers. Nakabantay man gud ko ang kita Filipinos kay ganahan jud sa Dunkin Donuts nga butternut. Kaya nakitaan pod nga nay nag-crinkles. Pero I want my crinkles kanang to be different from the other ba. So nag-make ko og kanang chocolate truffles nga i-stuff na mo siya dito sa sud. And then mas among gikuan jud nga dili ka siya sweet kay akong nabantayan sa among customers, they love chocolate pero this lang ganahan nga sweet kaayo. Kanang sakto lang gyud ba.
With my college friends and also Trinket, we started Ultimate Sandwich Station in 2016. Then that time, our biggest problem yun was the supply sa bread because we're using mga artisan breads and lisod siya ang mangitag supplier. So we decided nga mo supply or mo make na amo ang own bread. So in 2017, we started Hideout Bakehouse. So our main goal yun was to supply breads good for Ultimate Sandwich Station and also pastries to our other sister companies. So that time we produce artisan breads like ciabatta, focaccia, baguette, mga pita, and also pastries. And then later on we decided to accept clients also or to supply mga bread sa clients. So now we are producing, aside sa artisan breads, we are producing mga burger buns, brioche buns, also mga pizza dough, mga pita, tortilla, and many more, daghan pa.
During the pandemic, we closed for 2 months, and in those 2 months, so we invested our time into research and analytics. So we asked ourselves, how did Cebu's consumerism shift? How many clients are we gonna lose because of the pandemic? How many new clients can we gain because of the pandemic? And how can we pivot our business? So, a lot of factors came into play, but the most obvious and urgent thing that we needed to do was to up our social game. So, we noticed a lot of new businesses emerged during the pandemic, especially homegrown ones. So, that was a really good opportunity for us to gain new clients. More new people in to try to put us on the map, to make us a household name, and that would be the assorted pandesal. When the Ube cheese pandesal craze started, we actually launched our own version of Ube cheese. But when the pandemic started, a lot of sellers already started selling ube cheese pandesal. So I was thinking, what can make us unique from all of them? So that's when we decided to try out different flavors for pandesal. So for the flavors, for the concept, me and Kring wrote down what flavors could be good to sell as flavored pandesal. So and then our Hideout Bakehouse team developed the actual recipe. So we have ube cheese, pandan cheese, yama, red velvet, and chocolate. Basically, the flavored pandesal, they love kanang mga Craze, Instagrammable. It's fun, it's pretty, it's colorful. During the pandemic, so the biggest problem was that a lot of things have changed. A lot of all the statistics from before, we can't use them anymore, so we have to start all over again. What is the new behavior of Cebuanos? So we had to figure out a new business plan as a whole. Carefully look at the consumers online, how they behave, what they really want.
Ako ang electronics and communications engineer na may mga hands-on nga pangbuhaton nga. So medyo marag napoy field nga na. So I think dili ra siya lisod nga ikuan ako sa operation, i-apply na ako sa operation nga part, especially if we mag-start mi og new kiosk. So murag kana involved kayo ko ganang mag-check sa kiosk nga kana siya dili na siya mao sa design, then the lighting sa mga ingana.
So basically, business with food. So analyzing the statistics, the recipe, costing, that's it.
Sa among class, naapod may kanang mga class nga mo kuan siya unsaon pagluto, like sa baking food, like for example, if mag-bake kag cookies, if white lang sugar mo gamiton, so luspad siya. Then mga unsay pang-add nimo dira para mo taas iyang kanang lifespan sa kanang nga baked goods.
So the pandemic was a really big obstacle, especially for entrepreneurs. So I think it's important to not hold on to your old habits too much, because things are gonna change and you have to adapt to those changes. It's also important to have a happy environment in the workplace, because your happiness will reflect on your work and will reflect on the product that you sell.
Lessons that I learned kay hard work will always outweigh talent. Kay if na kay talent and then dili ka mong lihok or mo buhat, walay gamit imong talent gani. And then kuan gud, be patient always. Patience gud siya. Labi na may uban customers nga hard to please gani ma'am. So grabe stretch jud mo imong patience.